Hello class, and welcome to lesson 5. In this lesson, you will be completing chapter 5 in the workbook, and this is all about key signatures. In the last chapter, which focused on scales and scale degree steps, this will hand off really nicely into the importance of key signatures themselves. So just a couple things to look out for. The first section of the assignment will be on identifying the scale degree. Use the visual on the piano keyboard to help you count the steps, if that helps you as a learner. Also, the circle of fifths diagram is an extremely useful tool and visual aid. So if you're looking at the circle of fifths diagram, it not only shows you the name of the scale or the name of the key, but also how many sharps or flats it has. So this is a great tool, and it will help you tremendously in this chapter. The next part of this chapter is what's called transposition. You will be writing out a melody that is shown to you in one key, and you need to rewrite it in a different key. This is a very tricky concept in music theory, so please don't try to speed through it. So here's my step-by-step method. First, look at the original melody and figure out note by note what scale degrees each note is in that key that it's originally written in. Now, you're going to write out that melody in the new key using those corresponding scale degrees. The important thing to remember is that some of these notes you will see have accidentals on them. So under the notes with accidentals, I would write underneath, raise a half step if it's a sharp, and lower a half step if it's a flat. So that way, when you're done writing out the melody in the new key, you'll remember to do the function of that accidental. Now finally, the last part of this workbook chapter is to be super creative and write your own short composition. You're going to write out a melody in 2 separate phrases or musical sentences. Have a lot of fun with this one, and remember there is no right or wrong. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Now the last part of this lesson is another online drill with key signatures. Remember, just like last time, you'll need to customize the drill and make sure it's in both treble and bass clef, and as well as up to 3 sharps or 3 flats. Then of course, screenshot and submit. Have fun, and please reach out if you have any questions. The transposition section tends to be one of the trickiest throughout the semester, and I'm more than happy to walk you through any part of it if it's confusing at all. So send me an email if you have any questions. Have a great week.